Hey guys, welcome back. This video is going to be a very quick and painless clothing haul. But be sure you watch it to the end because there may be a surprise. Keep watching. Okay guys, let's get into this haul. This is my factory connection haul. And I can tell you I am wearing one of the items right now. I'm wearing it. I'll get up and show you. It's just capri leggings, but super comfy. And this shirt, I've already worn this shirt and I took the tag off and I've probably already thrown it away. So I think it was $13.99. I think. I wore it yesterday. It's got my white hair on it. But it's really cute. It's really comfy. This, I think, is a 2X. And it says, "Sorry, I'm late. I didn't want to come." That's just the way I feel most of the time. Yeah. So I saw that. I was like, yeah, I'm getting that. Just cutesies. I'm getting it. I can't wear it to work, but I can definitely wear it around the house. This one is super cute. I can wear this to work. This is $15.99. And I love this color. This is one of my favorite colors. And let me show you this detail down the sleeve. You know I love these kind of little details of this lace. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And it's just like a peasant top kind of thing with a little elastic down at the bottom. And it's just plain. It's just nicely gathered at the top, which you know hides a multitude of sins. And that little detail down the sleeve. Just super cute, basic little shirt. Short sleeved. Nothing crazy. To go with that shirt, I did get these earrings. I wear that teal a lot, and I wear peach a lot. So I like those little hoops. So cute. And those are $5.99 for the hoops. And then I got this shirt, and it is $16.99. And I don't do a lot of animal print, but I know animal print is like so huge right now. And again, it's just a basic kind of t-shirt with animal print sleeves. I mean, it's just a basic gray t-shirt, but it's got these really cute animal print sleeves that's got me in style, but I'm not completely animal printed out. I like it. Super cute. I can deal. Apparently I got a lot of gray this time. I had been getting a lot of pink. This time I got like a lot of gray and black because this is the last thing in the bag other than what I'm wearing on my butt. And these are leggings. They're like black workout leggings, but I'll wear them just as leggings. They have this really cute sparkly detail. They do have a pocket so you can put your cell phone or whatever in. And then down the leg they have these. And it's like a lace. You can see through it. Oh, you guys can't see. Well, yeah, you can. You can see my fingers right there. See? They're like a lace, but it's like an animal print. It's like a cheetah print down on the leg. And these were, what'd I say these were? $11.99, guys. These are 1X. Is that what I got? Yes, a 1X. But super cute. They do stretch. So I got those. I want to start working out again, and what I'm wearing on my butt is just a basic gray heathered legging. So that's what I got at work. I also got this watch from Amazon. It is a digital. I have not had a digital watch in forever, and I got it just mainly to track my steps because at work I don't keep my phone on my person when I'm moving around. It stays on the counter because it plays music for the store. And I wanted something that would track my steps. This was only $25. You can, I mean, I looked at Fitbits and something similar, but I didn't want to fork out $100+ for a watch right this minute. So it will count your steps. It will do your heart measurement. It does, like if you, for walks, runs, and biking, and then the time. So nothing like crazy extravagant. I just mainly wanted it because it does count my steps and it does your heart rate. And one last thing I wanted to show you. This is from Kato's, I don't shop in Kato's like a whole lot, but every once in a while they do have a really good sale. And you guys know I don't wear yellow a lot, but I saw this skirt and I just thought it was so pretty, and it was only $7.99. And it is a 14-16 or 14-16. And it's really long, really long. I'll have to pull it up to my bosoms probably, or hem it. But I just thought that was so summery and pretty for $7.99. So got that skirt. And I got a jacket. Now the jacket will probably for it cool, because this is a heavy jacket. And it's a 20, size 20, and it was only $6.99. But it's just a yellow jacket with a cute little scalloped lapel on it. Real pockets, but you have to open it. You have to break the seam and open it. It's like, did I just get lipstick on my jacket? No. But yeah, so this was $7. I mean, for $7, it matches the skirt with a cute white top. You can always take the jacket off. But, I mean, super cute. And that is my clothing haul for this month. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway going. It'll be linked up above. It'll be linked down below. Be sure you go check it out. And it's just been a crazy, crazy month. It's been a crazy, crazy 6 months, has it not? Getting to July, it's just been roller coaster, roller coaster, roller coaster. And I'm really hoping things start to calm down, like everywhere. I just want the world to just calm down and be at peace, and people to just get along and just calm down. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Just calm down. Isn't that a Taylor Swift song? Yeah, I think it is. And shake it off. Just shake it off. Dang. I mean, you know, come on. We've got to get through this. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure you check out that giveaway. Just follow the rules. Subscribe to this channel. Go follow me on Instagram. Be 18 or older. Blah, blah, blah. It'll all be on that video. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.